Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in web development with LinkedIn Learning, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating a LinkedIn account if you don't already have one. Once your account is set up, navigate to the LinkedIn Learning platform. Use the search bar to type in web development. Browse the available courses and read descriptions to find one suitable for beginners. Select a course that covers foundational topics, such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Click on the course title to view the course details and lesson breakdown. Check the course ratings and reviews to gauge its popularity and effectiveness. Enroll in the chosen course by clicking on the Start Learning button. Set a personal study schedule to keep your learning consistent. Take notes as you watch the video lessons to help reinforce key concepts. Complete the course quizzes and exercises to test your understanding. Use the provided resources and supplementary materials for additional practice. After completing the course, look for further advanced courses to enhance your skills. Join online forums or groups related to web development for community support. Apply your newly acquired skills by working on personal projects. Consider building a portfolio to showcase your work to potential clients or employers. Continuously seek feedback on your projects to improve and grow in the field. Stay updated with industry trends by following relevant LinkedIn groups and thought leaders. Set goals for your learning journey and adjust them as you progress. Remember, regular practice is essential to mastering web development. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.